Hey everybody, I'm Robbie Frank, and today I'm going to take you to one of my favorite places to grab some food here in New York City, a place called Chelsea Market. It's no wonder that this facility brings in 6 million people from all around the world annually, because there is a lot to see. No matter what type of food you're in the mood for, you'll find something here at Chelsea Market. There are over 35 different vendors selling just about every type of food that you can think of. They have seafood, they have tacos, they have Korean ramen. There's even a place you can grab a craft beer, which is pretty cool. I just grabbed myself a Pilsner, so I'm gonna take a little break and have something to drink. That is good. So right now, I'm going to take you down one of my favorite spots here in Chelsea Market. It's called Los Mariscos, which translates to seafood. It's a seafood market here in the facility. You kind of sneak through this little secret passageway to get here, so let me show you around. Along with being able to grab a bite to eat, there are a number of really cool shops here. There's a family-owned bookstore, which has, I think, about 3 locations around the United States. There's also a cool sunglass shop and a smoke shop if that's your cup of tea. As well as YouTube Studios here in New York, which is located right here inside this facility. Now, this place has dramatically changed over the years. It originally started when 8 large bakeries came together and made the New Biscuit Company, which later went national and would become the National Biscuit Company, which is also known as Nabisco. The Nabisco Factory that used to exist here was huge. It's said from some sources that up to 50% of baked goods in the United States were at one point created here in this facility. These bakeries would make everything from saltines to wafers to fig Newtons, and this is actually the birthplace of the Oreo. So if you like that bite-sized snack, this is actually where it was created. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring Chelsea Market, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons. And if you click the bell, you can stay up to date on all my new content. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll catch you next time.